Are you looking forward to be the part of this rapidly growing field of machine learning and artificial intelligence, but do not know how to start? Then this special program is for you guys. Our industry specialist trainer Mr. Yogendra will be here to train you, to guide you through your projects and for your future. This video is about the aim, benefits of this program and about the content. As we know that machine learning and artificial intelligence are correlated. If you want to give intelligence to your machine, you will have to make your machine learn some basics of that related application. That involves the data science, because first of all, when you were in your childhood, you intake lot of data so that you can learn and can develop some intelligence. So that's why the data science and machine learning helps you achieving the artificial intelligence. So here in this program, we are going to start with the data science. We will understand what are the types of data and its science. We will talk about the workflow of data science and its differences. First of all, we will define the problem. We will come to know that how to solve a data science problem. So first of all, we will frame the problem. What kind of problem is it? What is the science behind the problem? Then we will analyze the data. We will build the model and we will go for application. We will know about how to get and clean the data. You need to get a lot of data and you will also have to clean, which is not useful for you, to keep your machine memory healthy. We will also talk about how to perform the explanatory data analysis. We will apply the techniques and we will share the insights. So what do we have inside while we are processing all these things? After data science, our major topic will be machine learning and artificial intelligence. We will discuss about the roadmaps and pipelines of machine learning and AI. We will talk about the types, either it is supervised, unsupervised or reinforced. We will also go for the terminology so that you can get it easily. Then we will come to the steps involved in the whole processing of ML and AI. We will also talk about all the mathematics involved in it, either it is probability or statistics. You are going to start it from the scratch because we want to give you a strong foundation so that you can really apply it in your real life. Now let's talk about the aim, the benefit of this program. First of all, you will be able to convert the raw data into knowledge so that you would be able to perform tests onto it in order to make it really usable. Our industry specialist trainer Mr. Yogendra, he will not only train you but he will also guide you for your project works. He will guide you with the help of demos so that you can understand your project algorithm so that you can work over it smoothly. On completion, you would be able to predict lot of future events. You can go for the projects based on the future prediction, maybe human health related projects like human BMI prediction, fraud prediction, loan predictions, insurance amount predictions and much more kind of projects, because everywhere we are having the application of ML and AI that makes it really fastest growing field of science. Now let's talk about the advantages of this program. The first advantage is its rare content that makes this program really practical for you guys, and it also boosts your confidence. Second benefit is company authorized certificate that you are going to get on the completion of this program. You are also going to get the video recording of this whole webinar. And we are also offering you the money back guarantee, because of any reason if you are not happy with this program, your money will be refunded. Now let's talk about the registration process. If you are watching this video on YouTube, just go in the description and click on the link to register yourself. Or you may also call on the given number. Our team will get back to you where you can decide on which day you want to attend this program. Then before the program, a link will be sent to you so that at the time of class, you just need to click on this link and you will be directly in the class of our industry specialist trainer. So you can find it is so easy. Now the fee of the program, the fee is kept very affordable to every one of you. It is just 400 Indian rupees. Now what are you waiting for? We are having limited seats. Just go and register yourself quickly.